So I just finished setting up this new guide and kind of getting it organized and ready. Still doesn't have any content. And so as I start putting in content here, one of the things I want to look at is how my columns are set up. And the default here is there's 3 columns. And you can change this here with the layout drop-down menu. And you can see it's 25, 50, 25. And so that's the percentage of the screen width. And I sometimes will use this one. One of my other favorite sizes to use, especially for a home page like this, is 50-50. And then often what I do is I'll put something visual on one side, often on the left side, because that's where people's eyes tend to fall first. And then I might put like a list of resources, like links or databases over here on the right-hand side. So for this first box, I'm going to create a box here, and I'm going to call it Dinosaurs 101. And everything else I'm just going to leave. So for this box, like I said, I want something visual, and I went ahead and did a little bit of pre-pro for this video, and you can probably see up top, this is usually what it looks like when I'm working on a LibGuide with all these tabs open. This actually isn't too bad because I can still read what each one is. So for this first box, I have this video called Dinosaurs 101 from National Geographic, and this is what I'm going to put in there. So I'm going to click on Share down here, and then click on Embed. And I have found that the default size of a YouTube video embed code works really well with that 50-50 width, or the 50% width. So I'm going to leave that the same. I have here player controls and privacy mode. That'll be good. So here, click on that and hit copy. I'm going to go back over to my LibGuides page and then click on this add drop-down menu and come down here to media widget. The name here, I'll just keep it the same, Dinosaurs 101, and then paste my code in there and hit save. And then there is my video right there. I also found a timeline, which I think will work well since that's how I organized my tabs. This is from Oxford University Press. Often with visual information, I try my best to find things that are public domain or Creative Commons. It's not always possible, but I feel like in this case, the educational use falls under fair use. So actually down here at the end, they actually give you a link to save it as a JPEG. It's a pretty huge thing. So I'm going to save this in my downloads. Save. There it is. Come back over here, add another box, and I'm going to call this Dinosaur Timeline. For now, I might change it later. Save. Here's my box. And then for a picture, I'm going to do rich text HTML. That's the first one here. And I'm going to hit this image icon, browse server, and I'm going to make a new folder for myself to save all my great dinosaur pictures. So here's my new folder. Upload a new image. Here's that picture in my downloads folder. And then here's this not super great preview. Sometimes I do like to put some alternative text, so I'm going to put timeline infographic. And then another thing I like to do is for the link, I'll put in the link to the original source. So I went back to this blog post, copied the URL. I'm going to paste that here. And I'm going to set my target as new window. So it's going to open in a new window separate from the LibGuide. Hit OK, save and close. So that's what that looks like now. And then it's very long. But one thing I forgot to do is at the end here, just to sort of model some good citing, I'm going to cite Oxford University Press down here.